Alright, today is something different. We haven't seen, hopefully you can see this. Hopefully you can see this button here. So cabin fever, obviously you've seen videos, went up. Was actually trying to buy an engine at the auctions. And that was absolutely not going to happen. Prices were absolutely outrageous. So I ended up coming home with two boxes, the one you see on the camera and an identical one that is sitting right there just off camera. And we are going to do a quick unbox. Let's see what we have. Lots of small parts in this. So lots of small parts. I'm not sure if any of them are in order or not, and I'm gonna try and come over here and see if we can zoom in on that. So Star gas engine, serial number 2005, which makes sense because there was 2005 on the top of the box. I kind of scratched my head and wondered, wow, I wonder if the engine is that long, that old, I'm sorry. So 400, it looks like we have wrist pins, rods, we've got a crank, and I think the rest of this box, yep, is flywheels. There are two of them. I'm going to try and get everything unboxed and hopefully just lay it out. I think I'm going to leave all this stuff in this box and line it up. I did not want to open all this stuff outside in the cold or in my messy garage. So, set up a makeshift little, popcorn. Makeshift little table. Let's see what we have. That's a big one. Let's see if we can transfer some of this popcorn in the back. Obviously this one, the first thing I see is some castings, and one of them looks like they might be a little messed up. But I am guessing that I will. Wow. So that is the base. That is not a light piece of metal. pretty good. I'm gonna throw him up there. All right, next bag, fuel tank. Fuel tank, fuel lines, probably strap. This one obviously must be the jug cylinder. See, sorry if I'm slow. I'm trying to do a real quick look at it to see what I'm opening up, make sure there's no small parts that are going to fall out. And that really looks pretty nice. Huh. That definitely is a nice looking piece there. Obviously 400 would be our pulley. And governor parts, ball governor, brackets, braces. There's the mixer. Try and lay all these out in numerical numbers. If you can see, fuel pump, mixer. Wow, that's a neat one. Excuse me, Gemma. Alright, hopefully you can make that out. Piston cam. Tiny little thing. Kind of shocked I don't see rings in the same package for that, but and then last but not least is our coil. I believe that will be it. But one thing I'm kind of surprised about is absolutely no parts list, which I thought he told me there was one. So let me make sure I didn't miss anything in the first box. Maybe I didn't go down far enough. Yep. Nothing. And I'm gonna have to go back to the bags. Maybe it's jammed in one of the bags there. I really hate popcorn. back to the original box, and sure enough, we have a picture. So, nice picture supposedly of that is what it will look like. Huh. There's a couple. Wow. Couple pictures. What we should end up with. Loctite spring on this end. And a DVD and some assembly instructions. So, we'll get our big stuff up here. My first impression are the flywheels look pretty good. I am not sure if I'm going to leave them that way or maybe try and sand them down some. Yeah. Don't look too bad. Don't look too bad at all. So, obviously, as we go on, that'll give you an idea of the size of the engine, how big it'll be. And I'm gonna try and up you out of here real quick. Up close, so flywheels, we got some directions, and we've got an entire pile of parts. I'm not seeing any rings, but I could miss them, obviously. There's the piston. Would have thought everybody would have been with it, but there's a crank. And I think I'm just gonna obviously try and spread these out. Oh, I feel the head in there. I feel the head in there, so maybe that is a, maybe that package will have some rings in there. Who knows? Maybe not. Maybe not. There's a valve. I see a little baby valve in there. So that is about it. Let me see if I can zoom back a little. That's about it for parts. I'm not sure if you guys are interested in this. Some of you obviously, you know, build these for a living and know what you're doing way more than I do. So if anybody out there is interested in watching the build, like or comment. That way I'll know whether or not to waste my time with some videos on this or building the engine. And for Aiden and Farmall, I will drop off one day and pull the little traction engine down, and we'll take a quick look at that one day too. But that's it for now. Thanks a lot. Take care.